Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper Model Builder, and we're going on with that droid, the R2-D2. Alright, issue 31, as you can see right there, of this beautiful build. Models and backgrounds. There's a lot of history on how things work and how things are done and how they thought up stuff. As you can see right here, they did drawings and cartoons, and they looked at robotic surgery and stuff like that, and show you that there are robotics on other places. And then we got the right foot components to do. I don't think there's a lot to do, but let's do it anyway. Let's get stage 31 out. Skirts for the feet, and we got these little brackets. That's all we have in this stage, as you can see right there. Now let's see what we do. We put that away, we sip a bit of tea, and we get the foot out. So we get the closed side and put that on like so, and fix that with a, I think that's a 6mm screw, the one we've been using in the previous stage as well, a lot of them. So we turn it around and we put them into those positions, and there are 2 of those. Now we get that little thing out and put that one in. So we put that little silvery thing in there. Then we want to make sure that that little cable comes through. And it comes through on the side here. And not under that. So let's pull it up again. Yeah, well, we're going to put more of those 6mm screws in, as you can see in these holes right here. Let's try these other ones. These are now nicely orientated. And that is stage 31 done with that whole shoe, more or less. And I think I need to screw that down a little bit more. Yeah, that closes up neatly. So that is that whole foot done. There we go. We're going to leave it at that point and see what we'll do in 32. But let me show you the magazine first. 32, as you can see right there. Go Motion Alien Life. Yeah, it was hard for them to do. But they were far in front of anybody else when doing these kind of things. We're going to fit the infrared sensor, and we're getting a lot of screws again. So we're getting that one in. Nothing there. Those screws we can do later, because we only need one for that sensor. As you can see right there, stage 32. So I'm going to take that away. I've got this sensor here, and we're going to put that on right there with a black 6mm screw. Or should that be the shorter one? Let's try this one. And then we're going to connect that little thing and see which way it should be connected. And that is connected as well. And that is all we do in this stage. So this is a really nice, quick, short one. We just put the shoe on and we put that sensor in. That's all we did. So we're going to leave that there, and hope you will join me next time when I do some more building on this beautiful droid, or any of those that you see in the background right there, or there, or there, or there. So I hope you will join me next time. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me that next time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.